Sand. He says sand, but it comes out shan. Everyone thinks he's cursing, but he's not. He says shan or shand up. And Jamie's like, what did he say?
No, you can try and cover that. That's not what he said. I heard him.
Oh.
Here, I'll throw it up here.
Beach. We're on the beach.
Down.
Yeah, in the sand. Joe, look at Nicholas. He's following you. He's imitating you.
Acting like you. Run.